Ateneo seeing action later against National University. Two teams very close to each other in the standings. In fact, they're so close that if NU wins over Ateneo, they're both going to land at 6 and 4.
So again, a very today is going to be an interesting turn of events.
Napakalaking impact ang mangyayari sa standings, especially after the second game today. If NU manages to be successful later, it will definitely change the landscape of the UAAP Season 75 standings.
And I would believe that NU is coming in today with higher spirits, considering kung ano yung naging performance ng Ateneo in their past games.
Ateneo, just recap, 3 straight losses, while ang National University, if I'm not mistaken, they're coming off a win prior to this game. NU beating UP 3-love. Nebrida, picked up by Pineda. Here comes Zapanta on the push. Free ball for Adamson. Soriano.
Good save there.
Push there by Masangkayo on the second touch. Makatuno, Soriano, and the finish. Very, very rarely do you block Pao Soriano twice.
And you can see that Dao is only using one hand to block off that one. Probably the heavily taped hand, the left hand. Could be a factor siguro, kaya that's why she's having a hard time at the net.
Maybe with a nagging pain or some slight injury on that left wrist.
She's actually not using much of that left.
Of that left wrist, actually, yes. She tries to pull away with the left wrist. Good pickup by Martinez. Nebrida on the attack. Nice one, picked up by Listana. Makatuno, Soriano. And she finds a hole again in the middle of the UE defense. Adamson 11-7, set number 3.
Smart move from Pao Soriano.
And Makatuno is almost exclusively going to Soriano. The past 3-4 plays, there's a service error on Pineda, who's been on and off in this match.
Sangkai serving for the Lady Warriors.
Makatuno, he goes to Zapanta this time to vary the offense, and Zapanta. Almost each and every attack is a one-and-done deal para sa Adamson here. Coach Dalistan calls a timeout. Let's listen in.
Hindi ka magro-rolyo ng bola. Hindi ka magro-rolyo ng bola. Nakatulad nung ginagawa sa atin ni Soriano. Di ba? Ginagawa ni Soriano. Blocker, pagbaba ng blocker natin, tsaka lang ililipat yung bola eh. So, ganun din halos ang gagawin mo. Naintindihan mo, hindi mo kinakailangan i-rolyo papupuntahin mo rin yung bola. Ita-drop ball mo, open palm, open, hindi rolyo. Naintindihan? Ikaw naman, siya naman, papuntahin mo muna rito, papaluin mo ng 4. Wag running, wag running. Naintindihan? Tapos, big offense ka rito, ha? Come on, let's go. Mega victory. Mega victory.
Again, step-by-step instruction from Coach Boy Dalistan. He knows, very clearly what he wants to happen, and he gives direct instructions on kahit paano nga paluin eh. Hindi open palm, open palm, hindi rolling.
Yeah.
Push lang. Huwag mong palayuin yung bola. Drop.
Exactly. So, I think what he was trying to point out is kung ano yung ginagawa ng Adamson sa kanya, yun yung gusto niyang gawin din nila sa Lady Falcons.
Now he continues to struggle in this game. Another hit straight to the net. Again, we hate to point out the obvious, pero errors ulit, unforced errors ng UE ang talagang pumapatay din sa kanila.
Excellent execution this time from the attack.
Yun yung gusto mangyari ni Coach Dalistan from Guevara. Good execution there. I-drop mo lang, i-push mo yung bola. You don't have to hit it. Hindi kailangan rolling yung palm. Just open palm and push it. 9 serving 13. Zapanta off that underhand set by Makatuno. Free ball for Adamson. Pao Soriano. Ooh, nice pickup, nice defense there by Bulan. Soriano again. And what I said, you can't deny Soriano twice.
And that was against a triple block, mind you.
This woman just finds a way.
Definitely. I think yung quick talagang literally to that she really gives definition to the meaning of quick.
Yeah. If you say quick, she says, how fast do you want it?
How quick do you want it?
14 serving 9. Guevara.
That's
Yun.
off the block.
She knew Alcuino was there, a very tall player, so pinatama niya lang sa
Yes.
kamay. Smart play. By
Not
Guevara.
actually the strongest of hits, but then again, it's still a point.
Fourth-year player, Madel Guevara of UE. That's a serve by Nebrida now. Zapanta.
Off the block, and once again, it's that coverage for UE.
And Zapanta has had very high percentage here today. Oh. Halos lahat ng pinalo nito ni Zapanta pumuntos, ano? In this match.
That's right. It's a clean hit or off the block. Definitely high percentage for Mayat Zapanta.
15 serving 10. 5-point lead Adamson. Ulan. Pineda. Nice defense by UE. Nebrida from the back row. That's just long.
Outside.
So 16-10. Technical timeout here in set number 3. Lamang ang Adamson over UE.